today I'm looking for a bounce, at least out the gate anyway. And then I'll be looking for something to get short into. I really like this 39.50 area, but then we have this gap, you know, that hasn't been closed yet. We're going to gap under it, come back up, maybe close this gap here and then fail. So this area here, I like it. I'm going to be looking here at 39.30 and 39.50 area. I think we can get a decent long out the gate. And if I miss the long out the gate, I'll just be patient and look for the short setup. I mean, it looks like we're going to open down here, right at the long setup, it looks like.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got a nice pullback on the option contracts there, so I got one strike on. I'm paying myself there. I got $3 out of those things, so I'm paying myself there. That's a nice freaking day all by itself, in case we can't go green here. And then I'm going to just wait for the opening range close here on the 5 and see what it looks like. Maybe I get another one. I want to see this thing get up here. It might be a good short setup. 39.15. Got that calc level sitting there at 14. I'm going to put a profit stop on these last couple here. I sold 80%. I'm going to put a profit stop on just on these last couple. I sold 80% because I just, you know, I'm taking my money and run here in this market. If we end up pulling back here and close green, there could be one more good long setup back to 30. If, you know, we pull back and close nasty red, it'd be a short setup against 39.14. Nice little dip, fake out from the downside, fake out on the upside. Let's get a fake out on the downside. Come on up here.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a crack at this tight, with a tight stop there on that short setup right there. We closed under, popped right into it. So I got a short on there.
Order filled.
I'm going to take some profits there. We're right at 3,900. $5 out of the option contracts. I'll take it.
Order filled.
I'm taking a half size here, and I'm going to take the other half up here. We're right in this volume on the 5. I'm going to take the other half right here. Unless we close over it, then I'm just going to take it off. But I want to get a little piece of this. I canceled my ad, and I just have a stop in place on this half size. So if we do break up, I'd love to get a full size short on up here at 39.14. So, ooh. A lot of fear in this market, boy. I like it. Come on, just die. Just freaking die. All the way. Break this 38.97. Close hourly under it. That would be just right.
Order filled.
Paying myself again. It looks like we set this new low and we can't hold it. I don't like it. I wanted to see it set a new low and dump, come on down to like 95 pretty quick. That's what I wanted to see. I didn't see it. We started pulling back up. That's it. I'm taking my money and run. I'm all out. Paying myself. And I wanted a little bit more pop there to get short. So I'm just going to be patient here. See if we can break down this 3,900, 39, 38.97, 38.95. I'll trade against that. Yeah, see, wait for that 5-minute candle to close first, and then see what it does. There we go. I had to get me some there. I know it wasn't time and price. I was waiting for that candle to close, but we sat right there. I just couldn't pass it up. I had to get me some, so I might be taking profits here before the close of this candle. Right into the black magic on the 5, the 39.04. I might have to take some profits here. I don't know. I got a few bucks out of these things, so there you go. Come on. Take us to 90. Set a new low on the day. Yeah. I paid myself some there.
Order filled.
As long as we keep holding this, man, I'm going to keep paying myself and adding on the pops. So I think this is the one that might dump, though, so I don't pay myself too much this time. Dang, couldn't even get the bounce for an ad, man. Oh, well. Got about half of my position on the at the monies. I still got the full, you know, out of the monies. it's definitely a good place to take profits into this hour. Just got 100% out of those 65s. I took off the at the monies and I paid myself half of the 65s. So I covered myself pretty good. The 65s are paid for. I can just RTC those babies. They're completely paid for.
Order filled.
I just saw that little last pop there as a gift, so I had to take it, even though it wasn't quite there. That was a nice quick few grand. Taking it.